guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is, I'm sorry if you guys can see a lot of like shadow in the background. I can't really see if you guys can really tell, but I'm only using natural light right now. This is going to be a very short video today. I just want to talk about a new camera that I just got. I'm so excited. This is the Sony ZV-1. I have heard so many good recommendations about this camera, and yeah, it's specifically made for content creators and vloggers. So I'm excited. It cost me like $650 after like, it's like $800 in total, but I have a discount, so got it for a little cheaper. I ended up selling my other camera that I vlogged with, which was the Canon G7X Mark II. I wanted to unbox this with you guys and just show you guys like the camera. So it comes with this little fluff thingy. I'm not 100% sure what this is for. So this is called a windscreen. Okay, so it says use the windscreen to reduce wind noise picked up by the internal microphone when recording a movie. Okay, cool. So like when it's a windy day, like it is almost every single day here where I live in Ventura County. So this actually might be very useful for me. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using that. And then it comes with the little charger. I guess this is just a regular micro USB charger. Okay, so this one doesn't have like its own little charging charging case. So I guess you charge it in the camera with the micro USB cord. So this is a tiny little camera. And then for the star of the show is the camera, and this is what the camera looks like. Super sleek, super thin. It is one of those cameras where the lens is attached to it, so you can't detach it and put a different lens on. I love this one because the screen flips to the side, not upwards. I did like it upwards too. Like either way it works. But like when I'm vlogging, I've noticed like when I look to make sure everything's in focus, like I'm always looking up. That kind of looks weird in vlogs sometimes. So I actually really like that it flips to the side here. And then so it came like this, right, with the screen out. You can flip it around literally 360 degrees. See what I mean? So like if you want to if you're like filming upwards and you can't see, you can tilt it this way and it'll show you what's there. So I think that's cool. And then you can just flip it down so it's protected. So let's go and put in this. So let's turn this bad baby on. I'm going to just show you guys what it looks like when you turn it on. So it's just giving you the options to press English. So it is not a touch screen. So like my other one was a touch screen, this is not. So there's this little button here for modes. So there's intelligent auto, which automatically identifies the scenes, characteristics, and shoots a photo. There's intelligent auto for movies. There's just regular movie. Then there's high frame rates, memory recall, scene selection, sweep panorama. Oh cool, you can do panoramic photos, so this is pretty cool. Manual exposure, shutter priority, aperture priority, and program auto. So pretty basic, right? What I love about this, so I'm just going to put this on intelligent auto for the filming, the recording. So what I like about this is when you're recording, you don't always have to continuously look at the screen to see if it's still recording, because there is a big red light here that goes off when it's recording, and then once you're done recording it turns off. So I think that's awesome. So then it has this button right here, which is the defocus button. So if you have it on, it's gonna defocus like the background that you have. So like let's say I'm vlogging myself, and I'll show a clip here of like me like just messing around with the camera. So it has that, and then you can turn it off and everything just becomes more clear. Everything in the background is clear. So I think this is honestly going to be such a good camera. And it's super lightweight. It doesn't even weigh like that much. So yeah, I'm excited to start vlogging with this. I've been wanting to vlog more, but okay, so it kind of looks like this with like the little windshield. And the only problem with that is that you wouldn't be able to attach like a microphone or a tiny little light on it, because that kind of takes the place of where you would put the light. So there are a bunch of like other attachments that you can buy on Amazon for this. There's a light, there's a regular tripod. I honestly have been using this Manfrotto one. A lot of people have been using this one and I really love it. So this is the tripod I have been using. It's pretty basic, pretty self-explanatory, right? You just hold it up, you vlog like right here, whatever. The only thing is I did hear, let me see, and I'll put up a little clip here. The only thing I did see from one of the videos I was watching today was that this is like, because it's a 24 to 70 millimeter, it's gonna be very close to your face when you're vlogging. So let me see. So that's actually not too bad, but it does, like, I do have to extend my hand out pretty far, but it's actually pretty nice. I like it. Ooh, my makeup looks so good today. I look flawless in this camera. So yeah, so that is the only issue with this camera. It's like, I feel like it's like really in your face, or I have to hold it out. But there are attachments where if you put it on the lens, it makes it more of a wider screen, so you kind of look like further away without like having to stretch. You see, like, I'm stretching my arm out like this way to get this. So if I were to have it like a regular camera, like my G7X, I would usually have my hand like kind of bent into like an L shape kind of, but I feel like this is too close. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, if I should get the attachment and see what's up. There are a few other things I do want to buy for the camera, but I'm going to chill because I have spent a lot of money lately. But I'm not tripping, you know, because I'm investing into my channel for better content, for a better video solution, okay? So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I do upload 3 days a week. I did miss last Sunday's upload. I had a family emergency with my son. He had a horrible allergic reaction, so it was just not a good day for me to upload. I really just needed to stay with him. But yeah, so just keep an eye out for videos. I'm going to be filming a lot with this new camera. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.